Unfortunately, motorcycle accidents typically result in very serious injuries, if not death. But the type of injuries we typically see are very serious spinal cord injuries, injuries to shoulders, to arms, to legs. It could be fractures, it could be torn ligaments. I mean, of course, we see really bad burns or road rash. And sadly, oftentimes we see very serious head injuries, even if somebody was wearing a helmet. And I understand, as a former motorcycle rider myself, the feeling of being free, being out on the road, out in the environment or in the country is amazing, but you're not protected. I mean, if something goes wrong and you're hit, really serious injuries can occur. So sadly, we've seen all types of serious injuries, from traumatic brain injuries to paralysis, unfortunately to death. We are prepared to handle all types of injuries that result from motorcycle accidents.